I haven't been this excited in a long time. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to view a bunch of great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and a bunch of other great stuff as well, so be sure to check out what I have down below for you. Now, something that I have been waiting for months, maybe years, maybe even lifetimes, is the ability for some company to allow us to build our own credit cards. And what I mean by that is they have some sort of web interface for you to choose your own card design, the perks, the benefits, the reward structures, the insurance coverages, whatever else you might be able to think of. And as you go through the process, at the very end, it will then tell you what the annual fee of that type of card would be like. In other words, we could potentially say goodbye to having this card for dining and this card for travel and this card for gas and so on and so forth. And you could replace all of that with one single card that you handpick yourself, because you've gone through the entire building experience to customize a card that you want, to satisfy the type of spend that you do, to give you the coverages you want, to give you the really cool sleek design, maybe a metal card that you want, and a whole lot more. There's a new financial technology company, or fintech for short, that is starting to get a little bit of attention here, and they're called Benjamin Finance, and their main product will be the Benjamin credit card. And they're claiming that you'll be able to build your own credit card, build credit in a healthy way, and avoid debt. Now, this card does not exist yet, but they do have a pretty slick website with a waiting list that you can get on, so if this card does come to be, you'll be one of the first ones to get it. So for this video, we're going to do a slightly different format because this card has not yet launched. Instead, we're going to go walk over to my computer. I'm going to pull up their website and walk you through it and show you what all this really cool stuff is actually all about. So let's do that. All right, so let's check out this Benjamin card. So I'm gonna go to benjamin.finance, and there, well, maybe, hang on, it's trying to load. There we go. What a beautiful looking card. I gotta say, that is a gorgeous design. Looks very high quality too, but we'll see, of course, what the final product ends up being. So it says here, tailor-made for you. Build your own credit card. We build your credit journey. Now let's scroll down a bit here. Join the wait list. Take the quickest path to build credit and grow your credit limits. With on-time payments, you can increase your credit limit. With the Benjamin credit card, you are given a personalized credit journey that adapts to your lifestyle. Okay, then we'll scroll down further, and it begins with pick a metal. Ditch plastic and choose the metal that matches your style. So we've got silver, we've got gold, we've got copper, platinum, rose gold, and aluminum. And the cool thing here is that it actually shows you exactly how much these cards weigh. So 0.7 ounces, 0.9 ounces, etc. So obviously the heaviest one is platinum at a full 1.1 ounces, and the other ones decrease from there. But of course, they're all gonna be a nice metal design, heavy enough to make most people happy if you even care about that type of thing. This has nothing to do with the value of the rewards or the perks or the benefits. Rather, it's just a fun thing to actually begin your card with. So of course, choose whichever one you like. Now we'll scroll down a bit further, where it says, banks want you in debt, we want you out of it. So here it's stating they will give you personalized experience, high credit limits, advanced technology, and world-class support. Let's scroll down a bit further. Get rewarded on every swipe. Now you can choose your own reward category. This is where you really start to begin building your own credit card. So you can choose from the MasterCard level right here, the World MasterCard, or the MasterCard World Elite. Basically, there are 3 different tiers of MasterCards, just like there are with Visa, meaning a Visa, Visa Signature, or Visa Infinite. The higher you go, typically the better benefits, better rewards, better coverages you get. So we can see here at the MasterCard level, you can get double points on dining and subscriptions, and then 1 point per dollar on gyms and insurance purchases. And that's where the rewards cut off. So anything for travel will not earn rewards, and all other purchases outside of dining, subscriptions, gyms, and insurance will not earn any points. It then comes with a benefits package worth up to $50, which we'll get to in just a minute, and then there's no annual fee on the MasterCard level of the Benjamin credit card. Now moving over to the World MasterCard in the middle, this will give you triple points on both dining and subscription purchases, then double at gyms, on insurance purchases, and on travel, and then 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. This comes with a benefits package worth up to $345 for an annual fee of $149. And then lastly, at the top tier on the right is the MasterCard World Elite, giving you 4 points per dollar on dining and subscriptions, triple at gyms, on insurance purchases, and on travel, and then 1 point per dollar on everything else. Then the benefits package will be worth up to $366 for an annual fee of $249. Okay, let's keep on scrolling here. Again, another call to action, join the wait list. Choose your terms and APR, okay? Long credit card billing cycles and high interest lead to debt. We give you the opportunity to choose low APRs, shorter billing cycles, and financial freedom. So there's flexible billing here. And we'll start with the left-hand side with the monthly billing. If you choose this, you'll get a 17 to 24% APR, and this allows you to enjoy competitive interest rates up to 5% lower compared to other rewards cards available on the US market. Then if you choose the middle option for bi-weekly payments, they'll give you a lower APR of 12 to 17%. This allows you to cut your interest rates in half with bi-weekly payments, sync with your paycheck schedule to stay on top of your finances. And then if you choose to make payments every week by selecting the third option on the right, your APR will be between 7% and 12%. This will get you some of the lowest rates on the market. If you carry a balance, a weekly billing plan will save you money and help you to pay off debt faster. So basically what's happening here is if you choose to pay more often, in other words, you pay down the balance on your Benjamin credit card more frequently, then you will get a lower interest rate. Of course, this only matters if you're carrying a balance on your card. If you consistently pay off your card balance in full every time, then you will not be charged any interest because you won't be carrying any balances. All right, let's keep on scrolling here. Built for your benefit. There is no hard credit pull for eligibility, limits up to $25,000, behaviorally intelligent, and go carbon neutral. Cool, let's keep on scrolling down. Custom perks and features. So this seems to be explaining more of the benefits packages that come with your card. So with Invest Your Points, it says to help you build wealth, we promote investing your rewards for the best returns and tax structure. Then for the insurance programs, it says through our partners, you can add insurance options to your card, offering you protection and savings. And lastly, for travel upgrades, you can level up your travel with lounge access, rental car insurance, membership hotel rates, and more. So if I'm understanding this properly, it seems like if you invest your points rewards instead of cashing them out for cashback immediately, you may be able to get an APY up to around 4% to actually have your rewards grow. Then for insurance programs, I'm assuming that's something to do with like extended warranty, trip cancellation, or delay insurance, maybe something like that. I'm not fully sure, but there are 20 plus partners that you can add on to your card. And then 10 plus plans to customize your travel experience with the card. Really cool. Let's keep on scrolling. Benjamin Card and App. You can do bill split, subscription control, card lock, apparently it's compatible with Apple Pay, sync unlimited accounts, student loan management, net worth management, and credit report monitoring. Man, that card looks so darn good, doesn't it? Let's keep on scrolling here. Grow your credit, not your debt. Join the waitlist. Okay, and then of course all of the terms and conditions are down here as well. I definitely recommend that you read these down here for some terms about the APR, the APY, about going carbon neutral if that interests you, etc. The one that interests me most here will be number 2 for the no hard credit pull for eligibility. So it says here, we conduct a soft credit inquiry to examine credit worthiness for determining eligibility for the Benjamin credit card. We conduct a hard credit inquiry if you elect to apply for the card. Benjamin uses credit history as well as cash management and other factors to determine your credit worthiness. So perhaps that means you also have the option, or maybe you're required to link a checking account through which you receive your income. That way they can see how much money comes in versus how much goes out, which can really help you perhaps get approval if you have limited credit history, no credit history, but still really good cash management skills, paying other bills on time like rent or utility payments or whatever it may be. Not fully sure how all this works, but it definitely seems like they will be looking beyond just your credit score and your credit factors to determine your eligibility to get approved for their card. So let's click over to the FAQs. I'm going to open that in a new tab. Go over here and we'll look at the Benjamin credit card itself. What is the release date of the credit card? It's tentatively scheduled to be released by fall 2021, so maybe September, October, November, perhaps somewhere in there if it's all on time. We also have updated our waitlist dashboard to show you more opportunities to advance your position on the waitlist. How do I get my card engraved for free? The Benjamin credit card has the option of a personalized engraving. If you have accumulated 500 waitlist points, this fee is waived. The easiest way to reach that goal is to make at least 3 valid referrals and take the Benjamin survey. Okay, pretty cool. So you can get a customized card, perhaps even for free if you do those things and waive the fee. What credit score is needed to qualify? There is no specific minimum credit score cutoff in order to qualify. We do conduct a soft inquiry for initial pre-qualification, but we also examine other metrics such as cash management and other items to determine credit worthiness. Benjamin has designed our credit approval process to specifically account for and expand eligibility to borrowers who may simply have thin credit profiles or a limited credit history. With the option to grow your credit through on-time payments, this might mean that you are approved for an initial limit which grows based on on-time payments or increased income. Cool. Do you do a hard pull on my credit? We determined that already. It's first a soft pull to determine your pre-qualification right here. And then if you do decide to go through with the full application, then they'll do a full hard inquiry after that. Does the card do balance transfers and may provide tailored promotional offers for balance transfers from time to time? Okay, good to know. Do I need to pay my bill in full at the end of every billing cycle? If you want to avoid paying interest, you will need to pay off your Benjamin card in full by the end of every payment cycle. Based on your payment cycle selection, we will provide you with the due date along with all the necessary details to ensure that you are well equipped to minimize interest and build strong payment habits. So to me, that sounds like you can choose the monthly plan or the bi-weekly plan or the every single week plan. And whichever one you choose, if you pay your bill for that cycle in full, then you won't be paying any interest. So that's great. Does Benjamin report to credit bureaus? The Benjamin card will indeed be available to report to all 3 credit bureaus. That's awesome. Now, if you remember, like with the Apple Card and other fintech type cards, they may not report to the bureaus on day 1. You know, when they're in their early stage of being launched, sometimes they need some more time, a few months or whatever, to really begin reporting. So hopefully it happens right away. If it doesn't and you do get the card, don't worry. Just keep using the card responsibly over time. And eventually, if not right away, this card will report to the bureaus. Can I apply for the credit card if I have no credit? Benjamin has specifically designed our credit approval process to help those with thin credit profiles, blah, blah, blah. We kind of talked about this stuff already, so pretty much the answer is yes. But this part is the new information here. In order to be eligible for the Benjamin credit card, you will still need to be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident and have an SSN due to federal regulations and GDPR requirements, regardless of credit status. How large is the credit line? The amount initially extended depends on the individual's credit and financial characteristics, pretty much as expected there, but again, it'll be up to $25,000 at the maximum. Are there any monthly costs associated with the card? You would incur a monthly interest rate cost as a borrower, so on and so forth. Okay, so there's no monthly fee just for the program or the platform, just interest charges if you're carrying a balance. Of course, don't do that unless you have to. And then the annual fee with the card based on the package you choose. Will I qualify with no income? Benjamin extends credit only to those with a reasonable ability to repay. This may take many forms, and someone might have sufficient assets on which to draw, but limited or no labor income. So there is no strict cutoff. And then they kind of repeat everything that they've mentioned before. So potentially the answer might be yes, again, if you show good cash management, perhaps through your checking account or whatever else they may be looking at beyond your credit score. And now let's go back to the main page again, scroll all the way back to the top and look at that beautiful card one more time. Oh, and I almost forgot, I want to join the waitlist as well. Let's see, reserve your card. First name, Jeffrey. Mark is my middle name in case you didn't know. Reese, email address. Okay, and then basically it's saying down here in the fine print that you will be receiving communications and emails from them. By joining the waitlist, you consent to also allow them to store your personal information, to contact you regarding their product services. You can opt out at any time. I think I saw that somewhere on here. Yep, you can unsubscribe at any time in case you don't want that. But of course, if I'm going to be on the waitlist, I don't mind receiving communications. So I will agree to that and join the waitlist. Congrats, you have reserved your spot. Redirecting in 10 seconds. Okay, I'll go ahead and wait. Sweet. Okay, I am position number 40,597 on the wait list. Let's see, on the left-hand side, it says earn points and get your card engraved for free. Earn a free engraving on your Benjamin credit card with 500 points. take the Benjamin survey and earn 200 points. So I'll go ahead and do that. I got my referral link, so of course I'll put that in the description below in case any of you would like to actually join the waitlist as well. And it seems like I can come back to this page. I'm assuming they sent me an email as well to actually look at the people I've invited. To show me how many points I've had for how many people. For each friend you invite that joins the waitlist, you earn 100 points and advance 100 spots on the waitlist. So that all sounds great to me. I'm gonna go ahead and do this survey offline of this video. I'll put this link down here in the description below for you all to join as well. And of course, if you wanna get on the waitlist and refer your family, your friends, people you may know, go ahead and send your referral links out there as well to get this card hopefully sooner than the majority of the general public. So now you see what I mean. Pretty exciting, wouldn't you agree? Again, I have no idea if this card will actually come to be, but hopefully Benjamin Finance will stay well financed enough to actually release their card product to the market. I wish them all the success in the world in getting up to that point, especially because they are taking a very unique approach that a lot of other card issuers have neglected. Namely, they're allowing consumers to build their own dream credit cards, so to speak, and also do so with full financial transparency and clarity, because you can pick your own payment plan that works best for you and your income. So at this point, there's no harm at all in at least getting on the wait list to receive their communications. And again, if this card does launch and you want to go through the application process, then you'll be positioned to be one of the first ones to get your hands on that slick new gold or platinum or copper card. I'm number 40,597 on their wait list. So if you'd like to join me on that wait list for the Benjamin credit card, then my referral link is down there in the description below, along with a bunch of other links for some pretty cool stuff like additional credit card offers, the ability to earn more cash back for online shopping, and a bunch of other cool stuff like that as well. So be sure to check out those links down there. Also, do tell me, what are your personal thoughts about the Benjamin credit card and the whole build your own card concept? Let me know down below in the comments area. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value and maybe even got you a little bit excited for what the future of credit cards could look like. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.